Bedford pickup truck.
Going down with the Caribbean. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's right. He's gone down with the Caribbean car club.
Let's go on the other side. Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry. He's gone over there.
So yeah, the big
Try and go down the driver's side of it. Let's look inside.
Take it shopping, only petrol shopping.
It's got some kind of leather roof line as well. So look round the back, well best as can anyway. Just a minute. Drive's just giving me something to read. He's going to stick it on the windscreen in a minute. This is the back end of it. It's all lovely inside, underneath. He's put some on the door for us to have a look at. Oh, here you go, look at this. 1952 Bedford model, OLB 5 ton.
That's nice. They've gone back now.
Yes, they went back this morning.
Oh right.
That's how it was before, look.
Wow.
So look round the front end one more time. There you go, guys.